Get Chandler Oz Auto Glass Replacement for your car. 1. Is your windshield chipped or damaged? Get in touch with Auto Glass Chandler for expert solutions. 2. They can provide fast, reliable and professional windshield replacement or repair to handle your needs. 3. For this reason, the newly updated replacement services offered by the company are highly important. 4. If you drive with a large chip or crack in your windscreen, you're putting yourself and your passengers at risk. 5. This is where the newly updated solutions from Auto Glass Chandler can help, protecting you and the family. 6. There are a number of other reasons why it's important to get a windshield replaced when it sustains damage. 7. In order to ensure the passengers are protected, fast and windshield replacement needs to be ordered. 8. The newly updated windshield replacement services for Chandler customers can help to protect you in a number of ways. 9. Working with a windshield replacement specialist is the best way to secure a job well done. 10. Travel in style thanks to the new wedding vehicle tow services to give you peace of mind. Contact us at bagoryo1@gmail.com.